All right. Now, what happens if I hit enter and I keep on typing? Okay, so supposing I hit enter right here and I keep on typing. So programming.
I'm back.
All right, so programming is cool. All right. Now, remember, I already have a comment here, but when I hit enter and I keep on typing, it does not recognize it. Right. So there's what is called single line comment and double line comment, so that when I even hit enter, it can accommodate as many comments as much as possible, in as much as it's within that particular criteria. Let me just use criteria. So how do you now write Java double line comments? So what you just need to do is / your asterisk, you close it up. So whatever you write within that will be seen as a comment. Okay, so can you try that on your screen now? Let's see.
So how do we do that?
Okay, have you written single line comments?
No.
Okay, so let's go. How to write single line comments is your / in 2 places. Okay, so whatever you write after the / will be commented out. Java
so how do we get that? How do we get that space?
Okay, done.
Okay, what you just need to do is to hit enter, right?
I see.
All right, so just tap double quotes, / 2 times. Then whatever you write at the front.
Okay, done.
Okay. All right. So please, you guys are going to share your screen before we end the class. So make sure you are participating in all that we're doing.
App. Okay. Here's my first app. I wrote it.
Okay, fantastic. Now I made mention that supposing I hit enter here and I start typing some other things here, Java will not recognize it. Okay, even though I already have the first line comment here, but it will recognize it if I now go ahead to put another double line. Okay, but having it like this will not actually be so nice or cool.
So you
right?
do
Remember,
/ is it / and the star sign?
Yeah, what you just need to do if you want to have multiple line comments is to your / all right, your asterisk, then asterisk / to close it up. /
Okay.
asterisk. Okay, asterisk
Should I test it out?
Definitely. Asterisk is shift and you press your 8 key. Then you now press the asterisk again. Okay, then your / Then what I'm going to do now is to hit enter, okay, as many times as possible. Then whatever I write.
So I observed something.
Okay, please.
So look at my screen. Let me share my screen.
Okay, so that I have to stop sharing my screen so that I'll see yours. Let me just stop. All right.
Host disable participant sharing, screen sharing. You disabled it.
Oh, let me remove that restriction now. Share screen. Okay, can now share.
Share. Okay, so here I wrote this.
All right.
It automatically added this. I didn't type this.
Okay,
it automatically added
it for you. Awesome.
It added it for me.
Awesome. Okay.
It added it for me.
All right. Now, what I want you to do is you can add as many lines of code within that opening and closing.
Yeah, Lamin, show us yours.
Hello?
Oh, you changed what you wrote. You changed your comments. Let me change mine.
Yes, sir. I did.
I forgot to change mine.
Okay, so can I see Maddie's own?
All right.
Yeah. Okay, well done, Iwuchukwu. Well done, Mohammed. Okay, Maddie, let me see yours. Okay, okay, Maddie, this is your screen?
Yes, sir.
All right, awesome. Okay, so the bottom line is that within the multiple line comment, you can add as many things inside, right? So you can even add lines of code within it. It will recognize it as a comment in as much as it's within it. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. Please, guys, do you have any question before I go to the next thing on our line?
Nope, not for me.
Okay, not for now.